Find features that distinguish it from other brands for GHORA Portable Misting Fan with remote, why you should buy choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Dual cooling magic for you and pets. Experience instant relief with GHORA's innovative misting technology. Tiny water droplets evaporate on your skin, absorbing heat while cooling the surrounding air. This dual-action system creates a refreshing oasis, perfect for beating summer heat whether you're relaxing outdoors or keeping pets comfortable. Say goodbye to dry, stuffy air and enjoy mountain fresh coolness anywhere. Note: keep both tubes in bucket, avoid bending, crushing. Reusable design saves water. 4 smart spray modes for every need. Customize your cooling with precision. 1 whole spray, 150 ml per hour, for personal use, 2 whole spray, 300 ml per hour, for small groups, and 3 whole spray, 1 to 1.5 liter per hour, for intense heat or larger spaces. 4th mode, intermittent spray activates every 2 to 3 seconds, delivering gentle cooling mist while keeping surfaces dry, ideal for balancing humidity and comfort, even for your pet's delicate fur. The 9 liters tank ensures 5 to 9 hours of continuous cooling, perfect for all-day adventures. Control convenience, remote, timer and RGB ambience. Command your comfort from afar with the included remote. Choose from 7 vibrant RGB colors to set the mood for parties or late-night relaxation. The 2, 4, 8-hour timer automates operation, saving energy while you sleep or focus on activities. Perfect for creating a cozy campsite or a lively backyard vibe. All-in-one 9 liters portable design. This isn't just a fan, it's a cleverly designed 9 liters multi-purpose bucket. Store the fan securely when not in use, then transform it into a water reservoir for instant misting. The built-in pump efficiently draws water, ensuring hassle-free setup wherever you go. Portability meets practicality. The ultimate summer gift and outdoor companion. Crafted from rugged ABS, this fan thrives in gardens, campsites, BBQs, or gyms. Its cordless design makes it a lifesaver for picnics, road trips, or outdoor work sites. Surprise loved ones with a gift that delivers coolness all season long, no power cords needed. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.